Ultimate 7-minute belly fat walkout in bed / 5 powerful exercises for flat stomach. Hello my beautiful views, hope everyone is well and looking after themselves. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys how to do a full body workout without leaving your bed. Before we start, please can you subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your notification bells on so you don't miss out on any videos. If you aren't a morning person, the thought of jumping out of bed to get to the gym may sound like the worst idea in the world, especially on a lazy Saturday morning. Wouldn't you love a workout to tone and tighten your legs, abs, and shoulders without even getting out of bed? These 5 exercises require no clothes, no equipment, and can be over and done with before you make your morning coffee. Supine leg marches. This exercise targets the muscles of the glutes, legs, and core. It's a variation of a regular glute bridge. 1. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the bed, hands by your side. 2. Lift your buttocks off the bed until your body is in a straight line. 3. Without straightening your leg, press into your supporting heel as you lift one leg off the bed. Bring the knee toward your chest until it's in line with your hips. 4. Return your foot to the bed and repeat on the other side without lowering your hips. Repeat for 20 repetitions. These are the benefits of exercising in bed. Unless you sleep on a bed of concrete, most mattresses provide a slightly unstable surface. Similar to using a foam mat or exercise ball, bed exercises may help recruit small stabilizing muscles while working large prime movers. Unstable surfaces can be beneficial for building core strength, improving balance, and toning areas of the body like the abs and glutes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and put your notifications bells on for more videos and share the video because you might be making a difference in someone's health.